I sell hydrogen water systems for a living, so you would expect me to tell you the reasons why you should buy a hydrogen water machine. Well, in this video, we're going to be talking about who should not be purchasing a hydrogen water machine. So the first thing I want to point out is you're going to see a lot of these bottles in the marketplace. This one right here is great. It's from Healthy Hydration, that's my company, and it can get to the highest production of hydrogen in the market. Nothing can overperform this, and it's available on our website. But what people don't realize is that when they're putting tap water in here, you're just making dirty hydrogen water. Because in our tap water, there's over 60,000 chemicals. And when you ionize them or put them through electrolysis, what's going to happen is it's putting a charge on those molecules. So now if you're drinking dirty water and you have arsenic, pharmaceuticals, heavy metals, you're just giving more of your body. Yes, there's hydrogen in it, but you're still drinking dirty water. So for those of you that just want a quick fix and you're out there just looking for a quick fix, for a budget, then I would go with a hydrogen water device like this. But if you're not going to put filtered water in it, I wouldn't even bother with it. So definitely, if you're just after a quick fix, don't go out and buy yourself something. Get yourself an investment in your health and purchase something with a filter. So what we have here is this is our Hydrolux. We also have our home unit. And what they do is they filter your water first. And that way we can get the contaminants out and then hydrogenize your water. Why it's important is because you're going to have clean water going in your body that's infused with hydrogen, which is going to go in and it's going to mop up free radicals. So if you don't know the reason to buy hydrogen water or invest in it, it's because it has this gas. It's molecular hydrogen. It's very therapeutic. In other countries, they're using it in hospitals. Like, I was able to go to a symposium where there's 50 doctors that are talking about why hydrogen is beneficial for this, and this. We're not here to make any medical claims. Here in the United States, it's not a medical device. It simply needs more research. The NIH, which is a very prestigious journal, they have all these studies, but there's still more studies needed to confirm all this information. There's only 3,000 studies right now in over 170 different disease models. So if you're skeptical about hydrogen, there's science that backs it up. But also know that it needs a little bit more research to make it concrete in science to make sure that's true. Most people aren't going to tell you that either when you go out there on the web. Another thing that you want to know is that when you're going on places like Amazon, for instance, and just wanting, again, a cheap fix, what you're going to get from Amazon is China. That's it. You're going to get China, and you don't have someone to back you up. You don't have someone that's going to walk you through the process of how you hook it up and what pre-filters are necessary. And then if something does go wrong, you're going to have to go back to the place you bought it, which is going to be hard to try to get your money back. And then, there's always ways to make things cheaper. And so what I've noticed with my own products is there's been other companies out there that have take the mold and inside they put something a very inferior product inside. And so then when you see a cheap price and you see something else on the market, which is more expensive, most likely they took the mold and they're just changing it inside to make it cheaper, and then you get the product. So that's why we have to do our research first. And that's why I developed Healthy Hydration, because we want to make sure the products that people get are of quality and that you know that you have someone there that can support you and back you up if you need help. So what I'm going to do for you is if you are interested in owning a hydrogen water machine or you just want to know what's in your water, reach out to us. I'm going to have a link right here somewhere. You can register, and what we'll do is we'll do a complimentary water analysis. And what this is going to do for you is we're going to break down what's in your current water. And that way we know where to start. Once we get that information, then we can decide if hydrogen water is even for you. So we all drink water. Why not drink the best? That's what I always say. So go ahead and make sure you're liking, subscribing, and turning on the bell for notifications. And always reach out to us at healthyhydration.com.